What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-100022-5, and error has occurred. So simply when you try to play application or just using a PS5 or playing a game, you get this error. So what to do? I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Here you must check your application is up to date or not, which application you're just playing, and you get this error, and then go to this settings. You must check the system software is up to date or not. Sometimes system software is not updated and application is not going to support it, and sometimes you're having a corrupted file in your data. So here is the system software is up to date. You just update it, not update it. Then you go to the server. Sometimes server is not supporting some application or games needs servers. That's why you get this error. And in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. Simply just rebuild the database. It will take less than 1 minute maybe, and you just get back. Then you just your corrupted file will be deleted, and you try to play your application or game your game, and try to play it. So that's how you can fix this. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.